We are incredibly excited to present our latest exclusive product, the FlippedNormals Face Kit. With over 90 face alphas, you can make pores and realistic skin faster than ever before. Use your favorite sculpting or texturing software like ZBrush, Blender, Substance Painter or Mari, where you can make your characters come to life in minutes. Use the alphas on realistic humans, creature designs, or anything in between. We made the face kit to work on both young and old characters, allowing for even greater variation in your art. Pick the alpha you want to use and simply drag it onto your model. You'll get both individual alpha maps for specific face regions, as well as the full face layout, which you can project onto your model. You can also use the full face layout along with the new warp projection feature in Substance Painter to texture the whole face in no time at all. We honestly couldn't be more excited about this FlippedNormals exclusive release, and we are really eager to see what you make with a face kit.